day trading in real time today. I'm talking about what went down and the whole game plan and the overall just battle. Today was a little bit of a battle. I did a little bit of regression. I kind of went back to some chasing, some FOMO, and you're going to see in the video just how that works out, how that played out. Breaking the rules, you get slapped. You break the rules, you're going to lose money, and that's what I did today. But I ended up having a comeback. YGYI, you'll see here in a minute. I ended up coming back. $2,000, not bad for a Monday. Starting the week strong here. I'm ready to get going, ready for the week. I'm ready to go, ready to make some money, ready just to be productive. And it's good to start the week strong Monday morning. Let's go. Early morning here, pre-market, EARS, ears. Gapping up this morning, big move to the upside. Buying into this push here on this bit of a pullback there. Was looking for this $1.27 area to hold. On the 5-minute chart, you can see the EMAs there. On the 1-minute chart, kind of seeing where that EMA is. And looking for this to push higher above that high of day. Get up there towards $1.50. $1.50 is going to be my price target now. And that's what we're looking for this at open to squeeze higher. Now, this stock has had some pretty solid days the last couple of weeks, or the last couple of days. Last week, going from 50 cents up there to 70. The next day, going from 70 cents up there to 95. And then breaking above $1 after hours. And then today, up there above $1, just squeezing. It's got 2 million shares traded on it right now. Already getting a lot of action on this stock this morning. And that's basically why I was looking to load up on this, thinking we were going to get a nice little short squeeze and get that move up there, $1.50 or higher. Let's see if we can get that push here. Having a little bit of trouble here at the $1.30 right now. Just some resistance kicking in there, trying to hold it down, $1.32 area. Had a little dip there, down there to the $1.24. Just really wasn't, I don't think it was a real dip. It was just kind of a fake out there. You can see how quickly this bounced back up there above $1.30. So there's that push. Above that $1.36 we were looking for. I'm going to look to take some profit above $1.40 here, and then keep the rest to go higher here. Kind of just follow this move up there. Let's see if we can get this break over $1.40. The shorts are like, all right, I'm going to start covering. They start covering, and then they're pushing this higher and adding on to that buying pressure. And now let's see if we can pull back a little bit here, build some more support, and then push up there above $1.40 here later on. Someone's really trying to dump this. Someone is really trying to dump this. You can see that big sell-off here. 122,000 shares traded there, but pushing right back up there. Somebody's sitting there at $1.25 buying this up. That's a good sign. I want to see that buyer. We want to see those buyers stepping in there at the $1.25. We want to see those buyers stepping in there at that $1.25 area. So bouncing off that $1.24 area once again, getting a buyer stepping in there, $1.24, $1.25 area, and pushing right back up there above $1.30. So I'm holding here. Get some more buyers stepping in on this, pushing this higher. Like I said, I want to look for that push above $1.40 here. I'm being greedy today. I'm being greedy because I think this has potential to go higher with that small float, only 1 million share float, and it's $1 stock. So you're going to get a lot of people trading it, a lot of people chasing it, a lot of FOMO, and just a lot of action on EARS today. On EARS, let's see. Ooh, big buyer, some of their $1.35. Big buyer flash in there, $1.35, scaring those shorts for a minute, getting that spike in volume. Let's see if we can push $1.40. Look at that $1.40 break. Big buyer level 2. Look at that big buyer there, $1.36, getting this to push. Looking for this to push above $1.40 here. Buying the dip, a larger size, seeing how this thing's been moving the last couple days, and looking for this to push. And looking for this to push above $1.40 right here. So I ended up selling 5,000 shares there above $1.40, just locking in some profit there. And that way, at least now, it's like, hey, we're already in the green, baby. We got some wiggle room here, and now we can give it a little bit more time. We can look for a little bit more profit and look for this to push up there above $1.50. I like to get above it. I like to see this get above $1.50 before open. That would be nice. That would be really nice. I could lock some more in above $1.50 there. For anybody wondering about my share size, it's only $1 stock, $1.30 stock. So it's not that crazy. Having $20,000 of a $1.30 stock is not insane. Now, would I have wanted to fill up, 20,000 shares at the top up here at $1.40? No, I would not. But getting shares down here on this support area at this consolidation, I felt pretty confident. And like I said, just the overall move lately, this thing has been heading higher. So we're just looking for some continuation here and looking for this to push above $1.45 there at open. Get up there above $1.50. The great thing about this stock this morning as well is it's got the volume. It has volume, some serious volume in terms of being able to get in, be able to get out. You can see some of these candles, 50,000, 60,000, a lot of volume. This candle here, 162,000. So there's a lot of volume there. It makes it easier to get in and load up, and also, a little bit safer because you see that there's volume there. You see people are buying. And then when you get these kind of when you get these little drops like this down to $1.24, what happens? The buyers step right in there and push it back up. So these little pullback down there $1.24, look at that. It pushed right back up there to $1.38. It drops again, pushes right back up there. So that's what we're looking for, that volume. I always talk about volume being very important, and you want to see that volume there because that volume is going to be an indicator of, hey, is there buyers stepping in here? Are buyers going to step in and buy the dip? Pre-market was earlier 145, so we're pushing above that $1.45 resistance now. Let's see if we can get up there to the $1.50. $1.50. Giving us some time here. Patience, baby. Patience. Meditating. I'm not focused on the P&L. I'm not looking at the P&L. I'm just looking at the trade right now. And it's even though it's showing that I'm up $2,000, I'm not focused on that. I'm not even looking at it. I'm not paying attention to it because all I'm looking for is my targets, and my target is that $1.50 area. So over $1.50, that's what I'm looking for, and that's what we're going to be looking to take here. All right, so the market's about to open. I'm looking for a squeeze here over pre-market high, over the $1.48, up there above $1.50. That's what I want. That's what I need, and looking for a big winner. Not going to hit my hotkey wrong today, I'll tell you that. I'm not going to, no hotkey mess ups. We're looking for a move, baby. A move. All right, here we go. Market's about to open. Let's see if we can get this push above that pre-market high. Gets people chasing, get some FOMO. Get the FOMO crowd buying. Get some chasers. Get this thing to squeeze here over $1.48, up there at $1.50. No squeeze. I'm jumping out there, doing the opposite of what I needed to do. Locking down $1,000 there on EARS. I'm looking to see if this pushes back up there above $1.40 one more time. EARS, really the only thing popping up right now on the scanners this morning. Taking all the volume from the market. There's that pullback down there, back down there to $1.24 now. Looking for a bit of a washout back down there to the $8 area. Getting filled there at 803. Looking for us to push back up there above 810. I want to see the $8 hold support there. Not holding that support there. Taking a little loss on NIO, $200. Gotta stay in the game here. Got EARS pushing. Got EARS pushing back up there as well. Let's see if we get a little washout here. Oh, trying to get filled there on EARS. Oh, my baby. Look at that. Up there above $1.50 now. Looking for that washout. Come back down there below $1.50 here. Getting in there. $1.45. Looking for this to push back above $1.50. Getting some more. There at $1.47. Looking for this to push back above $1.50. Got 10,000 shares now. Just not looking safe there. Giving it all back right now. I got to stop. Look at NIO. What did I do there on NIO? This is a perfect example of not following the rules here on NIO this morning, not doing what I should be doing. What was I doing? I was chasing this, did not buy at that support, and then what did I do? I ended up selling into that support, and you can see, losing money on just a dumb move. This is where I should have been buying at right here at the $1.70. This is where I should have been buying at in this area when it pulled back to that support, and now you can see up there to $8.30. So perfect example of what happens when you don't follow the rules, not focused, just giving it back there, not focused, not doing what I needed to do. NIO up there to $8.30 now. Looking here at YGYI. Jumping in there at $13.61. Looking for us to push above $14 here. Going to add for that $14 break there. Looking for this to go. Looking for $14.50. There's that push up there at 14. Looking for $14.50 to take some partials at. Put my order out there just to not get filled. Give it a little bit more time. Let's see if we can push up there one more time. Only getting a partial. Only 200 shares. Come on. Oh, that might be good for me, though. Let's give it some time here. Oh, beautiful. 900 there at 1470. Locking that down. Looking for this to the rest of the 900. Got 900 shares left. Looking for this to push about $15 now. Trying to sell some half there. Let's push over 15 here. And taking a partial there for that break over 15. Looking for the rest. Giving it one more second. See if we can push over this 1520. A little bit of a spread. Looking for that bid to come up here. Looking for the bid to come up. Take another half there at 1522. Looking to see if this can go all the way. 1550 on deck. Take it all. I'm going to take it all right there. 1536, locking it down. YGYI saving the day there. Woo! That was a close one. I had a bit of a relapse there. I was kind of relapsing. I was going backwards in time there, breaking the rules, and then YGY came along. I was like, all right, time to just cool it down here. And then really this fill was a little bit of FOMO as well, buying that break over 14. Was thinking we just break right over 14 and start squeezing, but we got a pullback. So I could have waited for a little bit better entry on that second fill. But still, it's Monday morning, starting the week out green. So making over $2,000 this morning. Bit of a battle. It wasn't easy. Today was not an easy day in terms of just locking that profit down. You can see EARS all over the place, up, down, all around, really choppy through here. Up there to $1.55. So it got to $1.50. Should I have taken profit there at the $1.48 earlier this morning? Probably. But I was really thinking we would just get that squeeze right up there at $1.50 at open, and I could just sell and then walked away there. And that's a little bit of greed and just not really always the best idea. A lot of times it's just better to take profit when you got it. Instead of taking profit, I should have taken more off the table up there at the $1.48 when I saw that couldn't break above $1.50. So I should have locked that in a little bit earlier. This whole thing here was just kind of just chasing it and doing things that I shouldn't have been doing. And you kind of see how that goes. You see what happens when you end up chasing. What I do here, I chased it, ended up selling, lost money. It pushes back up there. Same thing on NIO. End up chased it 2 times. Well, this wasn't as bad of a chase. This was a chase here. Ended up losing money there. You can see ended up losing money on both these trades. So 2 losers because it was sort of a chase there. And YGYI making that move up there 1540. Beautiful. What else is moving this morning? A couple stocks moving around, but really you can just see the difference. What happens when you chase? What happens when you don't have a clear plan? What happens when you end up selling into support? And all that fun stuff. In this video, you saw it all live. Real time. This is real time, baby. Walk away. I'm going to go to the gym. Start the week off strong here. Get into it. Get into the week strong today. And I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys. Not tomorrow, actually. I'm going fishing tomorrow morning, so I will not talk to you tomorrow morning. I'll talk to you on Wednesday. Maybe we'll do a live stream on Wednesday. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can find out when I go live on YouTube. Talk to you guys later on.